Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade Adobe XD for better UX/UI design step by step clearly. Open your Adobe XD application on your computer. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Go to the top menu and click on the Help menu option. In the drop-down, select Check for Updates. Adobe XD will automatically search for available updates. If an update is available, a prompt will appear showing the details. Click on the Update button to begin the download. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, the installation process will start automatically. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear during the installation. After the installation is finished, you may need to restart Adobe XD. Once reopened, navigate to the About section in the Help menu. This will confirm that you are now using the latest version of Adobe XD. With the updated version installed, explore new features that enhance design workflows. Look for improvements in design tools, sharing options, and collaboration features. Take advantage of any new plugins that may have been added with the update. Consider checking Adobe's official release notes for detailed information on the latest enhancements. Familiarize yourself with the new interface changes, if any. Revisit your current projects to implement updated tools and features. Adjust your design processes to fully utilize the upgraded functionality. Experiment with new design capabilities to improve your UX/UI workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.